Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day. As mentioned earlier, for MAT2 at 5, the first chapter is on matrices. So today I'm going to share with you some introduction to matrices and show you the types of matrices. Following are the objective of our lesson today. Hopefully, by the end of this session, you are able to 1. Understand the definition of a matrix and its representation, and 2. Know different types of matrices. Most real data problems give rise to large systems of linear equation. Finding ways to solve system of linear equation has led to the study of rectangular arrays of numbers called matrices. Given the following system of linear equation, 3x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 0, 2x plus y minus z equal to 1, 9x minus 6y plus 2z equal to negative 2. This system can be represented in the matrix form of Ax equal to B as shown below. The matrix representation of Ax equal to B for a system of linear equation is useful to solve this equation through matrix manipulations. Generally, a matrix, or in plural known as matrices, is referred to a rectangular array of real numbers which is enclosed in a big bracket as follows. A matrix is denoted by a bold capital letter such as A, B, C, and so on. The rows of a matrix are numbered from top to bottom and the columns are numbered from left to right. For example, A here is referred to a matrix with 2 rows and 3 columns. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called as m by n matrix. M by n is also referred to the size or order of the matrix. For example, since matrix A has 2 rows and 3 columns, the size, which is also known as the order of matrix A, is written as 2 by 3, where the number of rows is specified first. Similarly, the matrices B and C have order of 3 by 3 and 4 by 2 respectively. The numbers in a matrix are called its entries or element. To denote the entries in a matrix, say of order 2 by 3, there are two common methods that can be used. First, we may use different letters such as A, B, C, D, E, F. Second, a single letter may be used along with appropriate double subscript to indicate the position. For example, A11, A12, A13, and so on. Example, A12 indicate the element in the first row and second column, whereas A23 indicate the element in the second row and third column. Thus, in matrix B, A33 is given by 4 and the location of element 3 in both matrices B and C can be stated as A21. Generally, a rectangular array of numbers consisting of m rows and n columns is known as m by n matrix or matrix of order m by n, with the number of entries or elements is mn. The m by n matrix can also be denoted as A with the subscript m by n. Let's do exercise 1.1. Consider the following matrices A, B, C, and D. A. State the order of each matrix. B. State the number of elements in each matrix. C. State the location of the element 2 in each matrix. And D. State the element in each matrix which is indicated by Aij, where I equal to J. Let's check your answer. The order of a matrix is referred to the size of that matrix. Therefore, the order of matrix A is 1 by 1, order for matrix B is 1 by 3, order for matrix C is 2 by 3, and order for matrix D is 3 by 5. As for the number of elements in matrix A is given by 1, number of elements in matrix B is 3, number of elements in matrix C is 6, and the number of elements in matrix B is 15. The number of elements in each matrix can be defined or determined by multiplying the size. For example, if the size is 2 by 3, the number of elements inside that matrix should be 2 times 3 equal to 6. Let's proceed with the answer for C. The element 2 in matrix A is at A11, element 2 in matrix B is at B13, element 2 in matrix C is at C22, and element 2 in matrix D is at D34. For the last question, you need to state the element in each matrix which is indicated by Aij, where I equal to J. For example, A11, A22, A33, and so on. Therefore, for matrix A, A11 is given by 2. Matrix B, B11 is 1. Matrix C, C11 is 4. And C22 is 2. And the last matrix D, D11 is 1, D22 is 7, and D33 is negative 3. Let's proceed with the types of matrices. There are several types of matrices which are commonly used, such as 1. Row matrix, 2. Column matrix, 3. Zero matrix, 4. Square matrix, 5. Diagonal matrix, 6. Identity matrix, and 7. Triangular matrix. A matrix with a single row, such as 1 by 4 matrix, is called a row matrix or a row vector with a dimension 4. Generally, 1 by n matrix, in which n here refer to any numbers, is referred to a row matrix. A matrix with a single column, such as 3 by 1 matrix, is called a column matrix or a column vector with a dimension 3. Generally, n by 1 matrix, in which n here refer to any real number, is known as a column matrix. A matrix with all zero entries or elements, such as 2 by 3 matrix, is called a zero matrix or a null matrix. A matrix with the same number of rows and columns is called a square matrix. For example, matrix D, E, and F are known as square matrices with order 2, 3, and 1 respectively. In a square matrix, the entries Aij, for which I equal to J, such as A11, A22, A33, and so on, are called the diagonal elements and lie on the main or principal diagonal extending from the upper left corner to the lower right corner, as shown in the shaded region. If all the entries that are of the main diagonal are 0, that is, if Aij equal to 0 for I not equal to J, the square matrix is called as a diagonal matrix. Example of diagonal matrix are as given by matrix G and H. A square matrix is called an identity matrix if all the entries on the main diagonal are equal to 1, whereas the others equal to 0. Identity matrix is also referred to a diagonal matrix with all the diagonal elements equal to 1. The following are the identity matrices of order 2 and 3 respectively. The identity matrix is usually denoted by capital I. A square matrix is called a triangular matrix if all the entries below or above the main diagonal are equal to 0. Thus, the matrix J and K are called as upper and lower triangular matrices respectively. Let's do exercise 1.2. Given matrices A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and J. A. State the order of each matrix. B. Which matrices are square? C. Which matrices are triangular? D. Which are row vectors? And E. Which are column vectors? Let's check your answer. A. State the order of each matrix. For matrix A, the order is 2 by 3. Matrix B is 3 by 3. Matrix C is 3 by 2. D is 2 by 2. E is 4 by 4. F is 1 by 2. G is 3 by 1. And H is 3 by 3. J is 1 by 1. B. Which matrices are square? Square here means the number of rows equal to the number of columns. Therefore, matrix B, D, E, H, and J are the square matrices. C. Which matrices are triangular? Triangular here means all the entries above or below the main diagonal are equal to 0. Therefore, only matrix D and H are triangular matrices. D. Which are row vectors? Row vectors here means the matrix only consists of one row. Therefore, matrix F and J are known as row vectors. The last question, which are column vectors? Column vectors here means the matrix consists of only one column. Therefore, matrix G and J are known as column vectors. Following are the summary for today's lesson. We have learned the definition on matrix, how to identify the row, the column, the size, the elements of a matrix, as well as the type of matrix as shown below. In the next lesson, you will learn on how to do the operation on matrices. So,